So now that you understand some basic debugging features, let's talk about the watch window. Once again, I'm going to set the breakpoint here where we call the do math method, and I'm going to run my application. So I start and then stop on line 22. The watch windows is located down here at the bottom, and currently there's no items in my watch window. Now, the watch window is used to evaluate variables and expressions and can be used to either keep those results or modify the current values of a variable. You can add variables to the watch window by putting your mouse over the variable, right-clicking, and on the menu choosing Add Watch. You can now see that my num1 variable, which currently has the value of 5, is available in the watch window. If I want to test my code while I'm debugging, but I want to choose a different value for this variable, I can double click on the variable and I can change the value while the program is running. So instead of having a value of 5, which was initially set up here on line 13, it now has a value of 10 because I've adjusted it in the watch window. This is ultimately going to change the outcome since it's going to pass 10 into my method and multiply that by 2 instead of the original value of 5. We can see that when we have an expression, such as number multiplied by 2, you can put your mouse over the expression and it will give you the evaluation. So number multiplied by 2 will result in a value of 20. So you can see the evaluation of an expression before that expression actually takes place. If I continue stepping through, I can see in my console window that the value of 20 is printed. So the watch window is very important for us to understand as we're debugging our applications, since it gives you the opportunity to not see just all of the variables, which is what we get in the locals window, but allows us to evaluate only a handful of the currently in use variables and adjust their values if needed to test for certain situations as we are debugging or evaluating our code.